Hello, everybody. I think there is some confusion with what to do with Form 3 sheet, which should contain the marks of those students who are missing from the main sheet, whether they are repeaters or whether they are regulars. For improvement students, you have to fill up Form 2. But in this video, I thought I'd like to clear the confusion regarding Form 3 and how to proceed with entering marks in that particular sheet. So if the form 3 has been shared with you in your department email, so if you open your department email, so I'll show you by opening my department email. So here I will choose Department of Computer Science. So this I have opened my department email. So here I will see this sheet that has been shared with me, right? So now when I open this, okay, now the sheet opens. Now be careful what you are accessing this sheet as. If you have multiple accounts, okay, logged in your browser, then this will open with the default account. So therefore, here you see it's opening. I'm using exam, but I should use it as Department of Computer Science. So therefore, now I will click Department of Computer Science. I will close this. Now you see this D here tells me that I'm using this Form 3 as Department of Computer Science. So if you had to look at the mail that I had sent you, okay, so let me just go back to the mail. Yeah, so this is the mail that I had sent. Said, if you read this instruction, like I've asked everybody to follow the instructions contained in the mail, please make a copy of the sheet by going to File, Make a Copy. So now once you've opened it, go to File and do Make a Copy. Now here you name this as, let's say for example, my department. So I'll make it Department of Computer Science. So if you're chemistry, you'll call it chemistry. If you're history, you'll call it history, right? If you're philosophy, you'll call it philo, something like that. Okay. So I will give, let's me call this BCA, right? And Form 3. Okay. Then I click OK. Okay. So now I will close this one. Okay. This now opens. Okay. Now this is a file that has been shared, that has been created by me. Okay, on the top here you will see BCA Form 3. The earlier file was a file that was shared with me with the Department of Computer Science by the exam ID. Okay, I cannot edit that file. So let's say if I open this file again, okay, and I access it as Department of Computer Science, this is important what I'm accessing at. If I access it as Department of Computer Science, right, then if I enter something here, right, it does not allow me to, and I cannot, you see, I'm trying to type, but I cannot type because I do not have the rights to type here, because this is view only. So I can only view this file. So what the purpose is, once you can view this file, you can make a file, make a copy, which I have already done. So I don't need to do it again. Make a copy, and the copy I named it as BCA Form 3, right? In your case, you will choose your department, whatever your department name is, dash Form 3. Now you can fill up whatever degree course of the missing students here, right? The course, the semester, the subject name, the roll number, question paper code, and justification. Now, if the student is missing from the main sheet, your justification could be missing from the main sheet. Okay. So once you finish filling this up, what you do is that you go to share, right? And now you share it with exam. You just type exam on the top here, and you choose this exam ID that appears. Just say got it, and now you say send. Make sure that this is editor. Okay, it could be viewer, it could be commenter, it could be editor. Make sure that it is editor. Okay, and then click on send. Once you click on send, right, now the exam means when I log in from the exam ID, I will get a email saying that Department of Computer Science has shared a sheet with you, and I will be able to access whatever marks you have entered here. So that's all you have to do with Form 3, and that's the same thing you have to do with, exactly the same thing you have to do with Form 2. Okay, so I hope that this clears your doubts, and I hope now all departments will not have any problems filling up this sheet. Thank you, and have a great day ahead.